In this tutorial, I will be exploring this question: how can I make a second income from home? This friendly guide walks you through some practical opportunities and strategies to help you make extra money from home online. So if you want to learn some easy to follow methods to create a second income stream online and boost your income while at home, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video, as this tells me you like the content and I will then create more content for you. Thank you. Let's begin. Strategy number 1. Try affiliate marketing for a business or a brand. You can earn a commission as an affiliate marketer by promoting a company's products and services. Make sure to find a product or service you like so you can properly endorse it. While most bloggers use their blogs to promote affiliate campaigns, you can use other social media to promote products. When the buyer uses your link or code work, you receive a percentage of the sale amount. While celebrity endorsements were the original influencers of consumer purchasing decisions, new voices are emerging as influencers across social media. The popularity and rise of social media influencers have created a marketing funnel that connects social media content to a ready-made target audience. A social media influencer is an individual who has gained popularity and trust among a growing audience of online followers by becoming an early adopter, innovator, or niche expert in a specific area of interest such as fashion, health, or technology. Influencers are personalities who share their opinions, expertise, and recommendations on any social media channel. By partnering with social media influencers, brands can expand their marketing reach and gain the advantage of a ready-made target audience. The social media network can be an ideal channel for business-to-consumer (B2C) campaigns. A partnership between a social media influencer and a company can be a short-term agreement for a paid promotion. In exchange for free products, an affiliate marketing program, or monetary compensation, an influencer can promote your brand, product, or service to their followers. Launch your affiliate site with existing content. While affiliate marketing is a good option to start making money online, it would be foolish to launch a brand new website and expect commission to roll in instantly. People need to trust that the products you're recommending are in fact good products. Resist the temptation to spread the word about your new affiliate website before it's ready. Diversify your affiliate partners. Don't put all of your affiliate eggs into one basket. While rare, a company always has the right to close down their affiliate program, deny payouts, or slash commission rates. A good rule of thumb: never let one affiliate partner make more than 50% of your revenue. That way, if the worst does happen, you're not left totally out of pocket. It's easier to replace half of your revenue than all of it. Own the relationship with your audience. The key to making money as an affiliate marketer is to have a loyal, engaged audience who care about what you have to say. That's hard to do if your content marketing campaigns are struggling to reach them. Social media and YouTube channels are often the first port of call for affiliate marketers looking to share their product recommendations. Become affiliates for audience recommended products. An affiliate marketer's audience is clearly key in their success. A superb, underutilized way to build that audience while also building passive income is to become an affiliate for the products your target audience recommends. Know the ins and outs of the products you're recommending. Unfortunately, affiliate marketing finds its way onto almost every make money fast scheme. That comes with a barrage of people looking to make a quick buck and not generally help their audience. These people tend to fail fast. It is possible to separate yourself from your competition by having more knowledge than they do. In order for you to stand out as an affiliate, you need to be recognized as an expert, or at the very least a site where people can learn more about the things you are promoting. It is all too common for affiliates to select a few providers they believe will be of interest to their visitors without doing any research into them. However, even if you are only looking for information about these things, you still want to know how and why people use them. Share discount codes. Merchants often compile a list of online marketing materials for its affiliates to use as part of their program. It's typically banner graphics and email marketing copy that makes the shortlist, but it doesn't hurt to ask your affiliate partners if they have active discount codes that are redeemable on the products you're promoting. Strategy number 2: sell artwork and designs happens online. Art comes in many forms, especially in the digital world. If you're artistically gifted, consider creating or selling your art online. Graphic designers make visual graphics such as logos for websites, books, and other mediums. As a calligrapher, you can sell your hand letter abilities on wedding invitations or stationery. Illustrators create two-dimensional images to represent a particular concept, first by hand drawing or painting and then refining their designs using illustration software. Animators create images that give the illusion of movement in a rapid sequence. Graphic designers create visual concepts to communicate different ideas. They often create designs for advertisements, websites, and campaigns. Learning how to write a graphic designer resume can help you highlight your relevant skills to hiring managers. Graphic designers design and create digital art using specialized software and devices. They spend most of their time working on a computer where they use art software and design programs. Graphic designers typically work as a part of a team and report to editors and content directors. They often work in marketing or advertising, but some may be self-employed. Develop your design skills. Start your pursuit of this career by improving your graphic design skills. You can learn artistic skills through formal training or personal practice. Useful skills for a graphic designer include drawing, sketching, and an understanding of design software. Consider practicing these skills at home or enrolling in design or art courses at a school, on the internet, or in your community. Earn a professional degree. Many graphic designers have a formal degree in graphic design, website design, fine art, illustration, or a related field. While some employers accept candidates with an associate degree, most prefer graphic designers with a bachelor's degree. Consider pursuing a degree from a community college, university, art institute, or online school. Graphic design coursework typically involves classes that teach studio art, design principles, commercial graphics, web design, advertising, and computer technology. Some programs may even offer courses in marketing and business, since designers often work in related professional environments. Gain relevant experience. During school and after graduation, look for opportunities to gain practical experience. Consider pursuing an internship in a relevant industry. If you use your professional network or inquire with local businesses, you may be able to shadow and learn from a professional graphic designer. These opportunities can help you learn more about the field, provide you with hands-on experience, and give you a chance to make professional connections in this field. Create a design portfolio. Compile your best work for a portfolio that highlights your diverse skill set. A strong portfolio can help you secure an interview, qualify you for an internship, or present you with freelance opportunities. A portfolio may be a physical or digital collection of your strongest work as a graphic designer. This can include drawings, mock-ups, or finished designs that feature logos, typography, and other digital design elements. As your career develops, continue to add more content to your portfolio that reflects your improved skill level and years of experience. Strategy number 3. Be a copywriter or editor. If you have a way with words, consider working from home as a copywriter or editor. Copywriters typically create content to increase brand awareness and influence people to take a specific action. Copy editors revise the content to ensure it's free of grammatical or factual errors. If you enjoy writing and are comfortable working independently, a career as a copywriter may be a good fit for you. With a high earning potential and the opportunity to apply your writing skills in a variety of ways to produce different kinds of content, a career as a copywriter can be extremely fulfilling. A copywriter is a professional who is responsible for writing the text, otherwise known as copy, for advertisements, websites, brochures, billboards, emails, catalogs, and other promotional materials. Copywriters can specialize in writing more creative text like taglines or advertising material, or more research-based copy such as blog posts or white papers for a marketing department. They may work for an individual company, an agency that specializes in digital media, or as a freelancer who is hired on a contract basis or for individual projects. While many copywriters, especially within advertising agencies, work on a variety of types of content for clients, some copywriters choose to specialize in a specific type of copywriting. There are two primary ways that copywriters choose a specialization: by selecting an industry and working just within that industry, or by specializing in a particular type of copy. Some examples of types of industries that copywriters specialize in are finance, healthcare, technology, health and wellness, and travel. A copywriter could also specialize in producing a specific type of content such as SEO copy, product copy, direct response copy, user experience, technical copy, business to business, business to consumer, speech writing, and ad copy. Earn a bachelor's degree. Although some employers may accept relevant experience as a substitute for education, the majority of employers prefer to hire copywriters with a 4-year bachelor's degree in English, journalism, communications, or another closely related field. It is also appropriate to have a degree in a different field if you plan to write for that specific industry. Employers may be impressed by the extensive background you have in the field, which could give you a competitive edge. For example, if you plan to write copy for the finance industry, a degree in finance gives you the knowledge to write authoritatively on the topic. It also ensures you know the terminology common to the industry. Build a portfolio. Most employers require candidates to submit writing samples or a portfolio of their work, which is known in the advertising industry as a book. Consider gaining experience by volunteering for your high school or college newspaper, or by pitching story ideas for online publications. You can also look online at forums and on social media where companies post requests for individual pieces of content they need to be written. Obtain an internship. Copywriting positions within advertising agencies can be highly competitive. Obtain experience in this type of work environment by pursuing an internship. You may be able to obtain one by working with a career counselor at your college, or by contacting creative directors who work in ad agencies directly. Any experience you can gain in a marketing or advertising department can help set you apart from other candidates when you're seeking full-time employment. Strategy number 4. Freelance your skills. Consider doing freelance work to earn extra income. You can network with local businesses or within your area to become a freelance writer, editor, graphic designer, or photographer and set your hours. Several online freelance services hire various freelancers to meet clients' needs, including logo designers, ghostwriters, resume writers, and professional consultants. You can often bid and compete for jobs according to your preferred rate. Freelancing is an arrangement in which you're self-employed and work on different projects for multiple clients. You can choose how involved you are when working with clients and the number of projects you work at one time. For example, a freelance writer may write articles for 3 clients. They could then agree to work for a 4th client after a current client referred their services to them because of the quality of work provided. Freelancers may also work on behalf of staffing agencies who match freelancers to clients. Working as a freelance writer allows you to write content on topics related to your client's industry. You'll need to perform research to gather the right information and communicate your client's message. Clients may provide instructions for you to follow, or they can assign you a topic to write about. Some of the content you can write about includes articles, web content, marketing or advertising copy, and blogs. Freelance web developers design the front and back end of a client's website. You follow instructions given by your client to create a website that gives a positive user experience for their target audience. Developers also test different applications to improve the website's functionality and make adjustments to the website's design based on their feedback. They check website traffic rates to see if the changes impacts the number of users visiting the client's website. You can specialize in one area to provide high quality services to clients. For instance, if you have years of professional work experience in project management, consider becoming a project management freelancer. These agencies will be more likely to refer you to other clients if they're satisfied with the work you completed for them. Working for more clients increases the prospects of having a steady workload and income. Strategy number 5. Get cash back from shopping apps. Some mobile applications offer rewards or cashback for shopping at certain retailers. They're free and easy to use with a smartphone, tablet or computer. Consider signing up linking your store loyalty card, and then shopping at participating stores. Strategy number 6. Consider being a data entry clerk. Consider becoming a data entry clerk where your daily tasks include entering and updating data into a client's database. You typically get paid by the hour to add files to the database. Data entry clerks may also compile information, prepare the source data for entry, and ensure the data's accuracy. The following are baseline skills you should have when applying for data entry jobs. Organization. Completing data entry will require you to be well organized. You'll have multiple files of data to keep track of at a time, so it's important that you know how to manage the data you are given. The next is attention to detail. You'll be expected to enter data correctly as part of your job. Having superb attention to detail is always beneficial, especially when you are working on a job that requires a high level of accuracy. Another one is communication. Working from home means you'll be responsible for communicating with co-workers and higher-ups. You'll need to check in via email or phone, and you should feel comfortable working around limited communication channels. Strategy number 7. Evaluate search engines or websites. Evaluators use technology to evaluate search engine results to ensure they're relevant based on certain search terms. Your selection typically depends on when your demographic profile matches the site's target audience. Evaluators also help website owners, especially small businesses, determine how user-friendly the site is and if navigation works as it should. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want more help with internet marketing, is make sure you go and click the link in the description box under the video now and go visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.